Hi everyone, we are back at our farm today after about 3 days of trip to Ooty and Kunur. It was very nice here. I'm sitting in the balcony, but I don't think you can see the lights. It's sunset here and it's completely yellow. So I just thought of showing you people, but I think on video it's not capturing the actual colors. It is a really good vibe out here. We go out and pay for all these things, but we are at our farm and we have that same view from here or more than what we actually pay for. I just also wanted to talk to people who ask for refund. So when people first come across this opportunity and when they ask me about this business, they are very excited. They ask for a call with me. They don't want to spend more time watching the videos and all. They just want to have a call with me and get to learn everything about the business. But then they take the steps and they watch the pre-coaching videos, they pay the $149, they watch the videos and everything, and then they just assume a lot of things. They think that, okay, I don't think this is for me, this might be multi-level marketing, I don't want to talk to people, I don't want to talk to my friends or family to sell anything. It's mostly about adding people and all those things. They just assume things, or they see something online, or they have a lot of questions, but then they think, okay, let me ask for the refund. This might be scam, or this is not a real thing maybe, and they just ask for the refund. I've been doing this business for a long time now, so when I talk to people, I somehow feel that, okay, this person has the ability, and I also feel when I talk to some people, I feel that this person might not be able to do it, right? With the kind of mindset they have, they might not be able to be successful in this business. I somehow feel it is not about judging people, but I feel that, okay, this person might have the capacity to do it. So when people ask for refund, I feel bad for them, right? Because I have a lot of people who are contacting me on a daily basis, and there are a lot of people who pay the $149 and go forward from there and they join my team, right? But there are people who just ask for refund even without knowing anything about the business, right? So we feel really bad for them that they are losing a very good opportunity. They didn't understand the business properly and they're just losing a very good opportunity. So I just want to talk to those people, right? You have come so far, you've watched the free workshop, you've paid the $149, you watched the pre-coaching videos, so you will have 30 days to understand everything about the business. Utilize the whole 30 days and understand more about the business. Take a call with me, get to know more about it, and if you have any questions, if you have seen something and if you feel that, okay, this might not be true, ask that, right? That is why we have those 30 days for you. So come to me and ask about it and be open to have a call and discuss more about it, right? So I'm not saying that, okay, I'll be convincing you. No, I don't want to convince anybody here. But if you really have the capability to do the business, and if you're just losing the opportunity because of some misunderstanding, right, it's a complete loss for you, right? So I really want people to understand the business, and then if you feel, no, I don't think I can do this, completely up to you, because not everyone can do this business. It is based on your mindset. I can tell you 80 to 90% is based on your mindset. If you think you can do this, you can do it, otherwise you can't, right? We feel that, okay, you have the capability, but you have to also feel that, right? You have to know that you can do this, right? So if you feel that, no, I can't, I don't have the capacity to do it, or I don't have the ability to do that, then you can surely ask for the refund. I don't really want to convince people. I'm looking for people like me, right? When I came across this opportunity, I felt that, okay, I can do this, and I felt that I have to take a chance on myself. I have to give it a try and see if it works for me. The question I asked was, what if this works? That was me. And I know that there might not be people who always think like, okay, what if this works, right? There are also people who think, what if I can't do this? Or they think maybe I'm not designed to do this, right? So it's not for them, right? So that is why we have those 30 days. So come in and explore more and understand everything about the business before you make a decision to go for the refund, because you will surely get the refund within 30 days if you think it's not for you, right? But if you go out of the business even without knowing more about it, you will regret it later. Maybe there are people who will come back to us after 4 years and they say that, okay, I didn't understand the business properly, now I understand it, and that is why I'm starting, right? So it should not happen with you, right? So make use of those 30 days properly is what I want to say. Okay, so yeah, thank you everyone. Bye bye.